Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, guys, I've got my Traxxas Maxx out with me and I'm in the beautiful state of Montana. I'm traveling for work and I'm headed home right now. And I found this nice place off to the side of the road. Has a nice beach, has some rock and stuff. I'm right by a river. And I thought, why not go ahead, bring out my Traxxas Maxx and bash her around a little bit in the sand and on the rocks. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm running her on 4S, and let's just get started ripping. How about, what do you guys think about launching the sand with the Maxx? Ready, get set, go. Oh. Ooh. There's a lot of stuff scattered out on the sand. I have to be careful. Also, guys, if you're enjoying this content, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. That's what really motivates me to make videos like this for you guys, is when you guys are hitting the thumbs up button, you're really enjoying it. So I'm really hoping you guys do enjoy this type of content. Ooh. Whoa! Ooh! Oh! I need to be careful. Ran right into this right here. Another launch in the sand. Ah, tipped it. Gotta go get it. I just don't want to puncture a tire because some of this stuff is sharp. So I really don't want to puncture a tire. Ah, tipped it again. Get her flipped back over and keep on going. That's kind of sweet. Ooh. Picked up a little bit of debris. There, we backed off of it. Sweet. Ooh. Oh. She's doing wheelies on the sand. I wonder what this thing would be like with sand paddles. That'd be sweet. Kind of floats across the limbs a little bit. Like I said, if you're enjoying this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It literally just takes a second. It doesn't cost you anything. Also, if you're not subscribed, the same thing is true. It doesn't cost you anything. All you have to do is press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And then you'll be notified whenever I come out with new videos, because you don't want to miss them. Sweet. Ooh. Got another piece of wood lodged right in there. Let's get down more down here on the rocks. Ah, flipped it. Whoa! This is pretty harsh terrain for something like this. That's pretty cool, guys. I need to get a slow-mo shot of that. Or put that on slow-mo. You guys probably all want me to skim across this water. The only issue is this is the only pair of shoes I have with me. And if it doesn't make it all the way across, I don't feel like going wade and get my shoes soaked. Ouch! Exactly what I said I didn't want to do. It went in the water. Crap. Well, at least it's like right here. And I don't think, I don't think I ever taped the holes on these tires. Did I? Nope, I didn't. So I'm probably gonna get water in these tires. Great. Ah, flipped it, gotta go get it. Part of me now wants to drive it across, but I think that's kind of risky. I might do it for you guys' entertainment though. What do you guys think? Do you think this is enough of a run up right here? Kind of deep though, that's the thing I'm a little bit worried about. You know what? This isn't smart to try right here. It's gonna be much smarter, guys, if I start over there where it is more shallow and see if it can even hydroplane. And then if I have success down here, then I'll go ahead and try it over here. So let me get over there. Here we go. Dry her off. All right, now let's bring her with some speed. We'll try to hydroplane across this. Whoa, that's pretty cool though. All right, let's try to bring it with a little bit of speed and hydroplane it back across here again, guys. Oh, ouch. You hit that rock or hit one of the bigger rocks there, and then fortunately it made it out. For your entertainment, I might try to take it across right here. I'm just a little bit worried. I hope she don't hit low voltage mode while I'm doing this, because she's got to be getting close. But she's already filthy, so I'm hoping if I go across this shallow part, hopefully I can make it across. But yeah, it's all going to depend on the entry. I guess let's just try it out. That didn't work. Oh no. Can I get it with a stick? It's not super far out. That did not work at all. I really don't want to get in the water if I don't have to. This is definitely going to be a testament whether or not this thing's waterproof. I think I'm a moron. It's just far enough out where I can't reach it with this stick. Can I reach it with any stick? I just had to take my shoes and socks off and walk in there, and I got it. Right now, it doesn't have anything. Doesn't have any steering, doesn't have anything, so that definitely tested how waterproof it is. Now my feet are dirty. They're wet. I got crap all over me, but I'm gonna see real quick if I can get it to go. Hopefully it's not damaged. Switch my controller back on. If anything, it's gonna be the receiver that could have gotten water in, but I don't think I've ever opened up the receiver. So that will tell you whether or not it's actually waterproof. I think I would have had to carried a lot of more momentum, and unfortunately, since this isn't that smooth here, I got a really shaky start into the water. And that right there is slightly deeper and a little bit further out than I thought. I guess it's better than having to go all the way out there, but it actually gets a little bit more shallow heading further out. It actually got caught where it's deeper in that silt. All right, I got it back to the car. Looking in there, it looks like there's a tiny bit of water that might have seeped in through the seal right in there. It looks like a dab of water seeped in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave that receiver box lid off, and hopefully that'll dry that out. Yeah, nothing now. There's not even a red light on the receiver now. There was a red light. Well, my best bet is probably just to leave it out, let it dry out, and see if it works after that. It was sitting underwater for like 4 or 5 minutes. Well, 3 or 4 minutes while I was figuring out how to get it out. So it's completely submerged. So is it completely waterproof stock? Right out of the box? I don't know. I don't think I'd try it. You guys can probably see a little bit of moisture that got in there. You guys can see it seeped in. The receiver itself is not actually waterproof. Anyway guys, we'll see if it ends up working. I'll have to let it dry out, leave that receiver box lid off, and see if it dries out and if it starts working. Otherwise, I might have to put a new receiver in. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys next video. Later.